This is the Laura Mercier Next Beauty Box. It costs £35, so let's have a dig through to see exactly what's in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So I said to myself I wasn't going to get any of the named boxes on Next, and yet here I am. I have this one and I have another one as well. I'll film that one later on. I've done a bit of overtime and I thought, why not? I deserve a treat, and I've just nearly chucked that over my shoulder. So this is the Next Beauty Box, and it is the Laura Mercier one. And the reason I got this is one of the products in there really caught my eye, and I've been obsessing about it. And I'm going away in a few days, and that product will come in very useful indeed. Yes, so this box was £35, but let's have a sneak peek to see what's in here. This box is huge. So in the box we have the edit card. It has the information on all the products that are in here, and then this is what the box looks like. And straight away I can see there's a load of paper stuffing at the bottom to make it look like it's more than what it is. And there you go, there is your sneak peek. But let's have a proper dig through just to see exactly what we've got to play with here. So back to the edit card there, let's open it up. There's a little note inside, we'll just have a little read of it. And it just says, level up your beauty with award-winning formulas from Laura Mercier. This luxurious beauty edit has everything you need to prettify like a pro. Cool. So let's get into it. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. And hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, and I can almost touch it. so close. So if you could share my channel with your friends and your family and so on, and the quicker we can get there, the quicker I can do the giveaway. I'm just going to link a video here that's just going to show you what's in the giveaway. So yeah, the main prize being the glossy 2021 advent calendar, which is just chef's kiss. But yeah, let's get on with the first product. The first product I'm going to show you is this. This is what made me want to get this box. So this is a black makeup bag, and it just says the perfect pro kit to house all your beauty bits. This Laura Mercier makeup bag is perfect for on the go and at home. So open it on up. So looking at a photo on the website, really didn't know how big this was, but I think that's good. Yeah, that's going to be all right to get all my bits in just for a few days away, so that is great. The thing that I really liked about it, it's got a zip at the bottom, and you open it on up and you can store some jewellery bits in there as well, which I think is so cool. Guys, the quality on this is unbelievable. It feels so good, like so good. So we have a little mirror here. We have these little bits you can pull up, little compartments where you can put your jewellery. We have little ring holders. I suppose you can put your little stud earrings in there, or anything that you want. And then we have another compartment here where we can pop bits in. I'm so glad I've got this. Let's just hope I like the other products in the box, because I'd hate to think I paid £35 for a box for a makeup bag, but I'm sure I will. It's Laura Mercier. I never treat myself to high-end makeup, hardly ever, so this is a real treat for me. So the second item in the box, we have this. So this is Pure Canvas Primer Illuminating. The first step in Laura Mercier's iconic flawless face routine. This illuminating primer has instant glow-giving benefits thanks to the blend of marimum pearl and radiance boosting porcelain flower extract. So this actually sounds great. I mean, I'm going to use it anyway because it's Laura Mercier and I have to experience some bouginess on my face, but I'm really happy that it is illuminating. I am obsessed with illuminating stuff at the moment, and the travel size is 25ml, but that's a really decent size for a travel size. Is that open? It's not. Let's open it in anyway. I shouldn't, but because it's Laura Mercier and I'm dying to get in it to see. So there it is there. Yeah, look, and you can see where I've put it. Oh, it's really pretty and it feels really nice. I think I'm coming down with some kind of cold, which I'm good at because I'm supposed to be going away soon. And so hopefully it just goes away, but I can't smell anything. My nose isn't working properly. I don't think that smells of anything, or at least my nose isn't picking up on it, but it looks so good. It says it's silicone free as well, which is great, so I don't like silicone in my primers, that horrible slippy feeling. Product number 3 we have is this. So this is a full-size product, and it is Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara in black. Coat lashes with glossy black pigments that give your eyes a true panoramic wide eye effect with this high impact mascara. The unique Caviar complex coats the lashes from root to tip with rich nourishment and hydrating conditioners that prevent dryness and hardening for wear that lasts all day long. Ooh. Ooh, let's see what the brush is like. That's what the mascara looks like out the box. Really nice tube, really nice. But there it is there. Hopefully that is going to grab my lashes and do ever so magical things with them, which would be fantastic. Yeah, I cannot wait to try that out. I am getting such a collection of mascaras now because I am absolutely obsessed with mascaras. I think I'm going to do a mini series of testing the mascaras out that I've got. And then at the same time I can do like a declutter of them too. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But yeah, that looks so cute. The 4th item in the box is this, and this is a Caviar stick eye colour in amethyst. It just says this easy to use super versatile cream eyeshadow stick gives effortless, I can never say that word. Why can't I talk today? Please help, send help. An easy application, let's just say that instead. Intense buildable colour and up to 12 hours wear. Wow, that's great, long lasting wear. The amethyst shade contains a combination of cool and neutral pigments, allowing it to adapt to every individual's unique colouring and truly gives your eyes a pop. So there it is there. That looks like a beautiful colour, and that's how much you get in there. It doesn't say what size this is. I don't think that's a full size. I have no idea, to be honest. That's just me guessing. Oh yeah, I like that. I like how that is a cool tone. I am so into my cool shades at the minute rather than warm tones. That looks so good. Let's just smudge that out a bit. And that's what it looks like smudged out. Oh, I love it, love it. 5th item we have is this. So this is Ombre Vanilla Body Cream. Wrap your skin in a nourishing cocoon of softness with this ultra luxurious whipped body cream, enriched with vitamins A, C and E and pro-vitamin B5. It helps provide essential moisture balance and protection. Plus, the decadent essence of vanilla, tangerine and brown sugar sinks into the skin, lasting all day. Yeah, this is really nice, really nice. I technically would have appreciated all makeup products by this brand, Laura Mercier, but yeah, I suppose why not give this a go too. That is sealed. I'm going to keep that one sealed, definitely. But yeah, I've got so many body creams on the go at the moment. I really would have loved all makeup in this box, but you know what, it's Laura Mercier and I suppose I'll feel bougie when I put it on. So the 6th and final product in the box is this. So this is a translucent loose setting powder. This is a travel size, and it just says a staple in any makeup artist kit. This iconic powder is milled into a super fine texture, and it gives a natural finish that won't dull your glow. For up to 16 hours. Yeah, cool. So obviously I've heard lots of good things about this. I've just never been able to afford or justify to buy it. So really glad I've got this and I can try it out properly. Obviously this is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed, but this is what the packaging looks like. It looks like a really decent size for a travel size. Yeah, and it sounds stupid, I know it does, but you can even feel the quality in the packaging. Or is that just in my mind because it's got Laura Mercier's name wrote on it? that's probably it. Guys, so this is the Laura Mercier Next Beauty Box. What do you think of the contents? Personally, I'm really happy with my purchase. Definitely worth the £35 that I have spent. I am ridiculously happy with this cosmetic bag, cosmetic stroke jewelry holder. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The quality, the feel of the quality is unbelievable. Really happy to get an actual full-size product in the box as well with the mascara. That's amazing. The eyeshadow is gorgeous. The primer, definitely illuminating. And yeah, the body cream's all right, and the powder, I can't wait to try the powder out. But yeah, massive thumbs up from me, definitely. I'm really happy to have some bougie makeup products. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!